Hello student, chapter number 11, perimeter and area. In that today we solve exercise 11.3. In that first question, find the circumference of the circle with the following radius. Here the radius are given, we just find out circumference. Okay. Question number 1. In that first one, A. What is the measurement? That is 14 centimeter. Means R equal to 14 centimeter. Okay, then find out circumference of circle. So circumference of circle equal to 2 pi r. Formula to find out circumference, that is 2 pi r equal to 2 into pi equal to 22 divided by 7 into r is given 14. 7 2s are. So 22 to the 44, 2s are 88 centimeter. That's your answer. Okay. Now B, in that 28 millimeter is given. Look here, right? So that is R, the circumference of circle equal to 2 pi r, 2 into 22 divided by 7 into r equal to 28 is given. 7 4s are. Okay, so 4 2s are 8, 8 into 22, 176 millimeter. Okay, and C, in that what is the measurement? 21 centimeter. Okay, same here, circumference of circle equal to 2 pi r equal to 2 into 22 divided by 7 into 21. 7 3s are, 3 2s are 6, and 6 into 22, 132 centimeter. Okay, it's your answer. Now question number 2, read it in your textbook. Find the area of following circles. Area find out. Okay, where the radius are given and pi is given. Okay, A number, in that what is the measurement? 44 millimeter, that is radius. Okay, and you want to find out area. So area of circle equal to pi r square, we know that. Okay, so 22 divided by 7 into 14 into 14, 2 times, right? R square is there, so take r 2 times. Okay, now 7 2s are 14, so 22 2s are 44 into 14, multiply 4 4 6 176 0 4 4, that is 6 here 1 and 6, so 616 millimeter square. Okay, second one, B, in that what is given? Look, D is given, diameter equal to 49 meter. Okay, when diameter is given, you just find out radius. Radius equal to half of diameter, d by 2, means 49 divided by 2. Ignore that one. Okay, converting into decimal if you want to convert. Okay, we just write down fraction form. Now area of circle equal to pi r square, that is 22 divided by 7 into 49 upon 2 into 49 upon 2. Take 49 upon 2 2 times because r square is there. So take r 2 times and r equal to 49 divided by 2. Okay, now 7 7s are, and 1 time 2 11s are. Cut it. Okay, so look, 49 into 11, first multiply them, 49 into 11, so 9. Okay, and 3 and 5, multiply with 7, 3 here 6, 7237. Okay, and divide by 2 is there here, so divide by 2, 2 ones are 2. Okay, I don't have 3773 divide by, that is 2. So 2 ones are 2, 1 7, 8 6 are again, 8 6 are 2 ones are 0.5. Okay, meter. That is the area of given measurement. Okay, and C, in C what is given? Radius 5 centimeter is given, so R equal to 5 centimeter. Same here, area of circle equal to pi r square equal to 22 divided by 7 into 5 2 times. Okay, now not possible to cut the 7, so multiply 5 5 25. Okay, into 22, 25 and 22, so 50 and 0 0 5, 550. Okay, so 550 divided by 7, 7 sevens are 49, 60 means 60, 8 sevens are 56 means 4, 0 0.75 are 5 and 7 sevens are. Okay, centimeter. Just do the division here, 550 divided by 7, and find out the answer. That's your answer. Okay, now read the third question. What is given? Look in third one. If the circumference of circular sheet is 154 meter, find its radius, also find area of sheet. Okay, means what is given here? Here circumference is given. Question number 3, circumference of circle equal to, so 154 meter given, and you just find out r equal to how much and also area equal to how much. Okay, now circumference of circle is given. Okay, that means circumference means 2 pi r, value of 2 pi r is given, that is 154. Okay, so put the value of pi here and find out r with help of this formula. So 2 into 22 divided by 7 into r equal to 154. Now change the side of numerical values. So r equal to 154. 7 at denominator side, it's become at numerator side when we change the side. Same 2 and 22 come at denominator side. Okay, now divide with 2. So 7 2s are 14 and 7 2s are 14. Now 22, so 11 into 2 and 77, that is 11 into 7. 7 7 cut. So r equal to 7 7s are 49 upon 2. Okay, so to find out area we use this formula, means this value 49 upon 2, but we want to find out r, so that is 24.5 meter. Okay, and area equal to a equal to pi r square equal to pi is 22 upon 7 into r equal to 49 upon 2, 49 upon 2 equal to, we already find out that answer when 49 upon 2 is there, 1881.5. Same, you just solve that one, 1881.5. so radius equal to 49 upon 0.5 and area equal to 1881.5. Okay, question number 4. A gardener want to fence a circular garden of diameter 21 meter. Find the length of rope he need to purchase. If he make 2 round of fence, also find cost of rope if cost is 4 rupees per meter. Okay, that means here circular garden is there, like that circular garden is there, and he want to fence that one. Fence means around that one, fencing. Okay, so around that one, that is circumference. Okay, that means you just find out circumference of that gardener. Okay, so diameter is given, diameter equal to 21 meter. Okay, and in one round he complete one circumference of that one. And okay, so total he make 2 rounds of fence. 2 rounds of fence means total rope require, total rope require equal to, for one fence he require 2 pi r, otherwise sorry, pi d is given, so we use pi into d formula, pi into d. Okay, and he make 2 rounds here, so total rope into 2 times 2 pi into d, because to make one fence he need pi into d means circumference, and 2 round means 2 times pi into d. So here 2 is there, pi equal to 22 upon 7 into d equal to 21. So 7 3 is 3 2 is 6, 6 into 22 132 meter. He need 132 meter rope. Okay, now here cost is given. Okay, what is the cost? Cost equal to 4 rupees per meter, means cost of 1 meter is 4 rupees. Okay, so how to find out cost of 1 meter rope equal to 4 rupees? Then cost of 132 meter rope equal to 132 into 4 multiplication. Okay, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 1 carry, 4 1s are 1 and 5. So 528 rupees. That is the cost. Okay, so rope require equal to 132 meter. And if you want to want to multiply with 2, so what to do? First find out perimeter means circumference, and then he makes 2 rounds, so multiply with 2. Okay, question number 5. From a circular sheet radius 4 cm, a circle of radius 3 cm remove, find the area remaining sheet. Okay, one sheet is there which is in a circular face. Okay, and we remove one more circle from that one. Okay, radius of bigger one means original sheet is 4. Okay, suppose we take that one as a 1 number and remove one circle as a number 2. So radius for first one r1 equal to 4 centimeter and r2 equal to 3 centimeter. If you remove any shape from given shape, what to do? Find out area of original one and then area of remover part. Okay, and find out difference of that two. So here we directly find out that one. Okay, area of remaining sheet equal to, okay, area of first one, that is circular, so pi r1 square, because radius of first one we take r1, minus area of second one is pi r2 square. Now here pi is common, take it out, pi into bracket r1 square minus r2 square. Pi equal to 22 is given, 3.14 is given. Okay, so take 3.14 into bracket 4 square minus 3 square. Okay, so 3.14 means 314 divided by 100 into 4 square is 16 minus 3 square is 9. Okay, so 314 divided by 100 into difference of that one is 7. So what to do? Multiply with 7. The 7 4s are 28, here 2, 7 and 2, 9, 7 3s are 21 upon 100. So final answer is 21.98 centimeter square. Okay, that is the area of remaining sheet. Just write down answer in a sentence. Okay, area of remaining sheet equal to 21.98 centimeter square. Okay, then question number 6 number. Okay, look 6 number. Seema wants to put a lace on the edge of circular table, cover of diameter 1.5 meter. Find the length of lace required. Also find cost of lace if cost of 1 meter is 15 rupees. Okay, one circular table is there, and she want to put lace around that one, means at a circumference of that circle. Okay, and diameter is given. What is diameter? 1.5 meter. Same here, pi equal to 3.14 is given, and cost of lace is given. Cost of lace equal to 15 rupees per meter. Okay, so she want to put around that one table, means circumference. Okay, so length of lace required equal to, that is equal to circumference of that circle, and here diameter is given, so we use pi into d formula. Okay, and pi equal to 3.14 into d equal to 1.5 equal to 314 divided by 100 and 15 divided by 10, fraction form of that decimals. Okay, now what to do? Multiply them, otherwise cut. If you want to cut them, we multiply them. 314 and 15, 5 4s are 20, 2 that is 7 and 15, 0 4 1 3, so 0 1 7 and 4. Your answer is 4710 divided by 100 into 10, that is 1000. 0 0 cut, so 2 zeros as I put decimal after 2 digit, that is 4.71 meter. Okay, now find out cost. Okay, so cost, what is given? Cost of 1 meter is given is 15 rupees. Then cost of 4.71 equal to how much? Cost multiply. So 4.71 into 15 equal to, multiply 4.71 and here 15. So 5 ones are 5, 7 5s are 35, and here 3, 5 4s are 20 and 3, 2 3, 0 1 7 and 4. So 5 6 0 1 carry 7. Okay, and here after decimal 2 digit is here, so put. So answer is 70.65 rupees. Okay, so at last you just write down answer. Cost of lace equal to 70.65 rupees. Okay, now question number 7. Look, find the perimeter of adjoint figure. Here adjoint, in that semicircle is given. Okay, and diameter is 10 centimeter is given. Okay, so find out perimeter of that one. So perimeter of, we know the perimeter of semicircle equal to this one. Okay, half circle is there, so perimeter of half curved surface half circle, that is pi r. Okay, plus diameter d, that is the formula, we know that. Okay, but we need r here, and here diameter is given. Total measurement of this one, that is diameter. So d equal to 10 centimeter is given, so r equal to d by 2, means 10 by 2 equal to 5 centimeter. Okay, put the value of r and d here. Okay, so 22 upon 7, right, because here r is pi is 22 by 7, that is 5 plus 10. So 22 into 5, 110 divided by 7 plus 10 upon 1. When two fractions are there, between them addition plus sign is there. That time what to do? Take LCM. LCM is 7. 7 1s and 1 7s. Oh, 110 into 1 110, 10 into 7 70. So answer is 180 upon 7. Now find out decimal of that one. 7 2s are 14, here 4 0. 7 5s are 35, here 5. Now no number is there, means decimal, and here 0. 7 7s are 49, 1 0, 7 1s are. So answer is 25.71 centimeter. Okay, that is the perimeter of given half circle. Okay, so students, next one, question number 8. Find the cost of polishing circular table. Okay, question number 8, circular table whose diameter is 1.6. okay, look, here one circular table is there like that, and you want to polish them. Polish means this part. So for that one you just find out area, because we polished all that area. Okay, so find out area for polishing part. Okay, here diameter is given 1.6 meter. So radius equal to d by 2, that is 1.6 divided by 2 equal to 16 upon 10, decimal 1.6, so 16 upon 10, and here 2 is there, 2 is there. Okay, so 8 upon 10. Okay, leave the decimal point. Okay, and polishing cost is given 15 rupees per meter square. First we find out area. So area of polishing part equal to, okay, polishing part, that is pi r square. Pi is given 3.14 into 8 upon 10 and 8 upon 10. So 314 divided by 100. Okay, into 8 upon 10, 8 upon 10. Now multiply them. 8 8 64. 64 into 314. 314 into 64 equal to 4 4 6 1 5 and 1 2. Here 0 4 2, that is 8, and 6 is 18. So 6 9 0 1 0 2. Okay, so your answer is 20096 divided by 100 into 10 into 10, so 4 zeros. So they put decimal after 4 digit here, that is 2.0096. okay, 96 meter square. Now we find out cost of that one. Okay, cost of this one equal to, look, cost of polishing 1 meter square is 15 rupees. Then cost of 2.0096 equal to how much? Cost multiply. Okay, so 2.0096 into 15 equal to, and multiply them, 2.0096 into 15. Okay, so okay, multiply them. I directly write down the answer. Okay, and 4 digits, so put decimal after 4 digits. Okay, and 1 rupee equal to 100 paisa, so we take only 2 digits after decimal, so approximate 30.14 rupees. Okay, that is the cost. So today student, we solve first 8 questions in this video. Okay, rest of the questions we solve in next video. Okay, thank you.